And I'm talking about that player with Michelle Datuin.
Yes, I'm now with our Shakey's best player of the game from the Philippine Army, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Jovelyn, congratulations.
Thank you po. Thank you po sa sumusuporta.
So Jovelyn, anong feeling na natalo nyo yung Ateneo, nakabawi kayo and straight sets pa?
Siyempre, kung tutusin, masarap yung feeling kasi nabawi naman yung pride ng team.
So kaya nabanggit ni Coach Rico na nag-food trip daw kayo on a banana leaf at ang tawag dito ay Boodle Fight. Meron bang Boodle Fight Part 2?
No, mamaya kami magpapakondisyon kami after kasi mamayang gabi may Boodle Fight. Invited kayong lahat. Hanapin nyo kami kung hindi nyo kami mahanap, sorry.
Makikikain talaga kami. Makikikain kami. So, nandito ang ating Shakey's representative para ibigay sa iyo ang ating Shakey's GGs. Baka may gusto kang batiin and pasalamatan.
Binabati ko po yung family ko sa Guimaras, yung Gonzaga family, yung Segobre family, tsaka yung Solihan family. Tapos binabati ko po sina General Bautista and General Servando, Colonel Del Rosario, maraming salamat po. At good luck, Colonel Bayani, Colonel Cabadin, Colonel Loyao, Sir Adrian Elizar, Father Transip, hi to all Agoncillo, Batangas, hi to Dolil, thank you Leng of RDC, happy birthday Ice and Alisa, advance happy birthday Iya Yongko, advance happy birthday to thank you Alarkas, Mom, hi Jenny and Forlan family, hi to Karch, Mirkisha, Avril and Micah, Nyaka. Belated happy birthday, Josie Dakis. Happy birthday, Jem Ang and Nix Bautista. Janice to your family. Thank you po.
And I'm sure, Joel, wala ka na nakalimutan. And again, congratulations. Our Shakey's best player of the game, Jovelyn Gonzaga of the Philippine Army. Back to you guys.
Well, Army wins this in straight sets. Your final thoughts, Ivy, on this match?
Well, well-deserved win for the Philippine Army today. They definitely did show play that is worth for that third spot.
That's right, and they actually showed that they can win it in 3 sets. And we'll see who wins the finals. And on behalf of my partner, Ivy Remulla and Noringo, together with Michelle Datuin, keep it here always in your Shakey's V-League.